Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how Adolf Hitler sounded. We'll explore the distinct characteristics of his public speeches versus his private conversations. You'll learn about the techniques he used to captivate audiences and the overall impact of his unique vocal delivery. Understanding these aspects provides insight into his powerful, yet manipulative, communication style. Hitler's public voice was a key tool in his propaganda. He often began speeches calmly, gradually building intensity with a rising voice and passionate delivery. His speeches were meticulously rehearsed, incorporating dramatic pauses and calculated gestures to maximize emotional impact. This theatrical approach, combined with a harsh timbre, created a mesmerizing and often intimidating presence for his listeners. Hitler was a master orator, using his voice to manipulate emotions and mobilize masses. He connected with audiences on an emotional level, offering simple solutions and promises of a better future. His delivery was designed to instill a sense of hope and purpose, often translating complex ideas into easily digestible, nationalistic messages. He knew how to tap into the collective psyche, making his words feel deeply personal to many. While his public speeches were loud and dramatic, a rare, secretly recorded private conversation from 1942 offers a different perspective. In this recording, his voice is notably calmer, lower-pitched, and less aggressive, a stark contrast to the theatrical persona he presented to the masses. This unique insight reveals the deliberate construction of his public speaking style. For more great deals and resources, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.